Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel 5 year special. And today we will discuss about sequence and series in class 11th. In science background, also students also read this one. Then state board also. Then ICSE also. So today we will discuss what is sequence. First of all, we will say what is sequence. A sequence is a set of natural numbers arranged in a particular order. So we can say a1, a2, a3 up to n. This is also sequence. So a sequence can be finite, that is 1 2 3 4, then bracket, curly bracket. A sequence can also be infinite, 1 2 3 4 up to nth term. दिस इज इन्फानाइट, दैट मीन्स इन्फानाइट टर्म तक जा रहा है तो उसको हम बोलेंगे इन्फानाइट सीक्वेंस. सो सीरीज क्या है? ए सीरीज इज द सम ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए सीक्वेंस. जो सीक्वेंस है ना, जो सीक्वेंस का सम, जो सीक्वेंस 1 2 3 4 ऐसे है तो 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 ऐसे में we can write like that. So we can say this is सीरीज. ओके, सीरीज क्या है? जो सीक्वेंस का सम, जो सीक्वेंस है, सीक्वेंस का समेशन फॉर्म में जो लगूंगा उसको हम सीरीज बोलूंगा. सीरीज कैन बी रिटन एज समेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ ए के. समेशन ऑफ वन इज रनिंग फ्रॉम के टू n. ओके, के that means a k. So if k is 1, a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to n term, that is called series. So we will discuss some example of sequence and series. So write the first three terms of the sequence. That means question asking first three terms. That means n is 1 2 3. Okay, first three term we have taken here. Solution. Okay, solution, let n 1 2 3. Okay, so that question is asking first three terms, so we will do in three terms. Okay, that means 1 2 3 is three terms, this is sequence. So already given option a n is equal to n plus 1. That means we want to solve in three terms, that is 1 2 3. Okay, so here we will write, an. Okay, an is equal to 2n plus 1. Okay, so n is 1, we put here n is 1, so we put here n is 1, we put here a n 1. Okay, we put here n is 1, so a1 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. a1 is 3. Okay, we get a1 is 3. Then next we put n is 2, then next is put n is 3. So like that we will do. See here my dear students, see here, see n is 2. Okay, that means a2 is equal to 2 into 3, no 2 into 2, n is 2 nah, plus 3. So 2 2 is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. a2 is 7. Okay, we will get a2 is 7. So then next if we put n is 3, n is 3, n is 3. So here we will do here a3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Which one? Yes, 7. We get 7. So here, so please forgive me my dear students, here 1. Okay, that means we get here 5. Though, so we get the first three terms. Okay, a1 is 3, a2 is 5, a3 is 7. So here we will write here, so we erase this one, so we will write here, we erase this one. Okay, a3 we get 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So my dear students, we get first three terms. three terms is A1, A2, A3 is A1 is 3, A2 is 5, then 7. Okay, 3, 5, 7 we will get. Then next question we will do. Wait please, I will do next questions. See here, we will do option B. So let given, what is given? N is equal to 2 to the left. So 3 terms. We have to find first 3 terms. So N is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if N1, okay, that means if you put in there the equations, that is A1 is equal to 2 power 1 is 2. Okay, got it. Then N is 2. N is 2. So A2 is equal to 2 to the 2 is equal to 4. That is 2 to the 2. That is 2 into 2. That is 2 is 2 times. 2 to the 4. So okay. Then here we get N is 3. Equal to A3 is equal to 2 to the 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So we get here. So we get the first three terms of A1, A2, A3 each. A1 is A1 is A1 is 2, A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8. Okay. So that type of questions asked in your board's exam in class, then in your classroom, and your teachers asking this type of questions. Okay, you can do like that. Then you will get full marks. Okay, don't worry. This is very easy. So I will do next questions. Please do it. Next questions I will do that. If question is given like that, first 3 terms. When I say something here. So that question is very easy. Okay, first 3 terms. If a question is asking first 5 terms, 6 terms, 8 terms, like that, first 1 term is also asking. That type of questions you have to return first 3 terms. That means 3 terms. That means 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. For if a question is asking 5 terms, then you have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 terms. So like that, you have to solve this type of questions. Okay. Then how to tackle that questions? Okay. That is matter. Okay. So here A is given. Here An is equal to n minus 1 by 3. Okay. That questions. So let n is equal to 1, 2, 3. That means first 3 terms. So n is 1. We write here n1. Okay. We write here n1. N1. Then do your A1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 0 by 3 equal to 0. Okay. Then n is 2. N is 2 right here. A2 is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3. So 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. Okay. N is 3. So A3. 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3. So we get first 3 terms. One is A1 is 0, A2 is 1 by 3, A3 is 2 by 3. So in here we write, so we get the first 3 terms of the sequence 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So my dear friends, if you will understand, then please message or please like, please subscribe. If you connect with me, then I will give everything. I will teach class 11 chapters or class 11 chapters, whatever your demands. Okay. So please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel 5 years itself. Okay. Then I will give my best effort. So if you are not understand please message me. Also, I will reply quickly. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear students. Bye.